The key idea behind OS OpenData is to release for public good, for commercial, non-commercial, for a whole range of reuse, key geographic information that the Ordnance Survey collects, hugely high quality, that we have determined will be of maximal value for connecting information together that is held in the public sector. So as part of the work that Tim Berners-Lee and I have been doing to make public data available in the UK, data.gov.uk, we've determined that the geographical components are really essential. Certain key information sets tie everything else together. And what's happened here is there's been a determination to release those products freely available for reuse in a whole range of contexts to serve that end.
It is amazing that whatever sort of data you find, crime data, health data, it's got locations in it. It's got people who are somewhere, yes. It's got facilities, hospitals, operating theatres, which are somewhere. It's got yes. When you look at different sorts of data, first thing people naturally do is stick it on a map. When people see on a map, you can give a talk for 15 minutes showing all kinds of slides. You put up a map and everybody works up and looks at the map, because the map just makes contact with the way they think about the country.
The whole notion that that elements of Ordnance Survey data should be made available was something that was referred to in a ministerial announcement on the 17th of November. Process of consultation. Subsequent to that, some decisions have been taken, and actually determining exactly what information in what form was best to release has been an ongoing negotiation between a number of us, literally over the last few months. And all I would say is that it's a huge credit to everybody at Ordnance Survey who's been working on this, that this has been turned around. This is not easy to do. This is large amounts, millions and millions and millions of individual data items being repurposed, being represented, being delivered through a different process. And talking to people here in the Ordnance Survey, I've been impressed by the willingness to adapt, to extend, to think about new forms of project management within that, and to really step up to the mark. So we're hugely grateful.
The people in Britain have been proud of the Ordnance Survey, and I think they will continue to be proud of the Ordnance Survey, and I think that people generally across the country recognise the incredible value of it.
And I think the absolutely non-negotiable part of this, both Tim and I agreed when we wrote to the Prime Minister that there was an absolute jewel here in terms of data collection, that the standards to which material was collected, the update rates, the quality of the basic surveying, that had to be protected. Or it was certainly in the national interest to protect it.
I think actually a lot of people have said that this place is a jewel in the crown, but yes, it is a jewel. I think the Ordnance Survey is a jewel among the data producing bits of Britain. I think it is a gem.